Hello, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of horticulture to create a flourishing summer garden. We'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to supercharge your garden and optimize your harvest. Starting off with soil care. This is the foundation of any successful garden, so it's crucial to maintain. Regularly testing your soil for nutrient levels is key. If it's deficient in any areas, amendments can be used to replenish it. A healthy soil base ensures your plants are well nourished and able to grow robustly. Next up, we have water management. Overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering, so it's essential to find a balance that works for your plants. Invest in a moisture meter to gauge the soil moisture level. You can also experiment with alternative water sources like rainwater or grey water to save on costs, while being environmentally friendly. Sowing and planting techniques are another area we highly recommend researching and practicing. Some plants prefer direct seeding, while others do better when transplanted from trays or starter pots. Be sure to sow at the right depth and space them appropriately for optimal growth. Lastly, let's talk about regular maintenance tasks like pruning, fertilizing, mulching, and pest control if needed. These routines will keep your garden flourishing throughout the season. We hope these tips help you supercharge your summer garden and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!